Hey guys, this is Shahat and I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here to talk about a phone which has got super power, super design and super camera, and it's the new Vivo Y20. Let's unbox this phone and see how it looks. So as you can see, this box contains the super design phone, a back cover, adapter, USB cable which is micro USB for fast charging, and the manual. This is Y20 in Nebula Blue, and eta chhadao Y20 comes in another color which is Obsidian Black. It has 5000 mAh bigger battery, and also amazing Y20 has all new Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 and 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. It also has large 4GB RAM and a bigger 64GB ROM which is expandable up to 256GB. That will give it a great performance. I'm done unboxing the phone and let's start using it and experience what amazing features it has. For me, I like my phone to be super easy to use, and the most exciting feature of Vivo Y20 is the side-mounted fingerprint. So I don't really have to pick up my phone. আমি যদি unlock করতে চাই, I can just touch the side of the phone with my finger and it unlocks instantly. Also, Y20 has face lock technology which will unlock the phone in split seconds. So with Y20 I can unlock the phone with style, unlock the phone with safety and unlock the phone with speed. For instant shoots, আমার ফোনের ক্যামেরা ভালো হওয়া আমার কাছে অনেক important, and Vivo Y20 does the job pretty well for me. Well, so it has AI triple camera with 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel bokeh camera. Using the main camera, you can turn all the wonderful things into master shots. With the bokeh camera, the portraits would look more alive and boast greater depth. I don't know about you guys, but I love taking my pictures of tiny things. So the macro camera with 4cm focus helps me to discover the tiny things and exciting world full of gems. Well, so as you guys know that I'm a social media influencer, so I happen to stay out for works, meetings, shoots, hangouts, etc. throughout the day. And for content ideas, I need to do a lot of research and watch a lot of videos. সাথে তো শুটের মাঝখানে গেম খেলা হচ্ছে আমার নেশা। এছাড়াও I'm always using my phone camera to take amazing pictures. So as Y20 has 5000 mAh bigger battery, that gives me super power. সকাল থেকে সারাদিন কাজ শেষ করে বাসায় এসে ফোনের চার্জ শেষ হয় না। So guys, with all these amazing features, I can say that Vivo Y20 is the perfect phone for me. And I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to keep an eye on Vivo's official Facebook and Instagram page for the price of this amazing Y20.
Vivo.